Now let's say you want to ramp load something. This means it's time for the second position, where we place the extension at 210 degrees. To do that, I move this knob over to the left. That opens up a bevel in the gate that allows me to lower the extension to 210 degrees. Now this extension forms the first section of the loading ramp. When we first started creating the Elongator, one of the things we wanted to be able to do was to easily load motor vehicles and equipment. In order to do that, you need to have good, strong ramps. Now you can get telescoping ramps or sectional ramps, but we wanted a single-piece ramp system for strength and ease of use. Now since the extension forms the first part of the ramp, we can now use one-piece ramps and still have a traditional 6-foot ramp system. Plus, this allows us to do that other really cool thing the Elongator tailgate's known for. This allows us to store the ramps inside the tailgate.